Hello, my name is Frank Kamanga from Malawi. I'm a basic income ambassador from Malawi and Africa. I'm also the leader of Malawi Basic Income Network. I just want to make a brief presentation about basic income. Basic income, it's unconditional and universal amount of money that is supposed to be given to every human being, regardless of race, regardless of employment status, regardless of gender, for the purpose of enhancing the well-being of every human being on the planet Earth. Basic income is very relevant, especially to Malawi. Malawi is one of the poorest countries in the world, probably the third most poorest country in the world. So basically, we need money here. It's not an issue of questioning or asking. It's a definite issue that we need money here. We need a basic income. People are struggling to earn a living, and the basic income can be a solution to so many economic problems that people are facing here in Malawi. There is high level of unemployment. We have got so many graduates, very skillful individuals, very skillful youngsters, but they don't have the financial muscle to engage in different activities. A human being was born an entrepreneur, a human being was born an influencer, a controller, a human being was born a manager, but a human being cannot perform these functions when a human being is not provided with the requisite resources to perform the function. So basic income is one of the requisite resources for a human being to thrive in the world. Another reason why we need basic income is that I consider basic income as a human right. Every human being deserves to receive basic income as a human right, and this human right, which comes in monetary form, also open up doors to other human rights, like rights to education, rights to health, right to marriage. How can a person marry when they don't have money to support their spouse and their children? So basic income actually opens up doors to access to other human rights for people to thrive in the world. Okay, I know there is Basic Income Earth Network, a global organization which advocates and champions for basic income across the world. Um, I'm also part of the outreach committee of Basic Income Earth Network. What I want to say is that for Basic Income Earth Network to do much of its work, I think we need to take a step forward. We need to move away from engaging mostly on social media and digital platforms like Facebook, like Google. Now we have to go on the ground. People have to understand what basic income is. I know there are some pilot projects taking place in other countries like Uganda, Kenya, here in Africa. Um, but these are not championed by Basic Income Earth Network. Basic Income Earth Network has also to start implementing projects on the ground. People have to know what basic income is across the world. There are so many programs in the health sector whereby people do advocacy and awareness raising activities with the communities on the ground. Basic Income Earth Network must also indulge in such kind of activities. And to do that, Basic Income Earth Network um, must engage itself in serious resource mobilization, because without resource mobilization we cannot implement such kind of activities. Now, with regards to my press, my views on the vision of Basic Income Earth Network, where I want to see Basic Income Earth Network in 2 or 3 years coming is a position whereby Basic Income Earth Network is equally represented across all continents of the world. Basic Income Earth Network must establish deliberate positions whereby a representative of the network must hold these positions in all continents of the world, be it South America, be it Africa, be it Asia, so that there should be equal representation, and so that the works of basic income health networks um, must expand and must have an impact on the ground. Thank you very much.